This simple PLR email strategy brought me in over $1 million in digital product sales. And I absolutely think it's the best strategy that anyone can use that's going to help you become successful with selling digital products. So if you're not making any money selling your digital products, you should be collecting emails. If you don't have a lot of time to create content, you should be collecting emails. In fact, if you're doing any type of online business, period, you should be collecting emails. And here's why. A recent study shows that email marketing or collecting emails is almost 40 times more effective at getting more customers through Facebook and Twitter combined. What that means is this. People are more likely to open your emails than they're more likely to watch your content on any social media platform, let alone becoming a follower, a friend, or a subscriber. And if you're one of those people that thinks that emails are dead or email marketing is dead and nobody opens or reads their emails, you're sadly mistaken. Think about it. Anything you do online requires you to key in your email address, or even if you're doing online banking or something, they collect your email. So if all these big businesses, social media platforms, and even banks are collecting emails, then you should too, especially if you're trying to make money online selling digital products. Number one being, you own your relationship with the customer when you're collecting emails. Social media platforms can change their algorithms, but your email list belongs to you. To be short, you can't control any of the algorithms on any of the social media platforms, but you can control your email list. You can communicate with your email subscribers whenever you want, all without relying on external platforms. Let's take a look at my YouTube channel. Right now, I have over 2,400 subscribers, but they only sent notifications when I drop my video to only 268. That's because not all of my subscribers have notifications turned on for my YouTube channel. And this brings my click-through rate for all my videos down to 1.1%. So out of all 2,400 subscribers to my YouTube channel, for this particular video, only 3 people actually clicked to watch it when they got the notification. So whenever we're comparing click-through rates for email versus social media, the average click-through rate for an email campaign is typically around 2 to 3%. And for social media, the average CTR can be around 0.07%. Meaning if you're solely dependent on social media to make money online selling digital products, it's going to take you a while. It's going to take you a large following because you're not collecting emails. Collecting emails allows you to directly communicate with all your potential customers. Communicating through email allows me to address any of my subscribers' needs, answer any of their questions, and build personal connections. Your email list is a long-term asset. And if you do it correctly, it can generate revenue and build your brand for years to come. Another thing about my email is all the people on my email list are all targeted audiences, which means everybody in my email list is interested in all my products and services that I'm offering. On social media, when you put out content, you may attract a lot of the people who are not potential customers for your products and services. But whenever any of my viewers opt in to any one of my landing pages and give me their email address in exchange for any one of my products, I know that they are the right customer. This increases my conversion rates and generates more sales within my business without having to rely on even ads or social media. So if you're not making any sales with your PLR digital products and you've tried social media or you've even tried ads, you may want to seriously consider collecting emails so that you can build your email list and start nurturing all of your potential customers via email and start making some money. Now, in order to start building your email list, you're going to need an automated email campaign. You're also going to need a landing page that contains a lead magnet that you can give away for free and or sell in exchange for everyone's email address. And if you've never done that before or you don't know where to start, you want to watch this video popping up on your screen where I break it down step by step so that you can start collecting everyone's emails, building your email list, and ultimately start making money with your digital products. So when you compare everything you've learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Stay blessed.